I am Baljeet, welcome to my channel. And if you've been wondering where I've been, let me show you. So, for the past month and a half, or almost couple of months, I've been working on my front yard. As you can see, I have done a lot of work in my front yard. I wanted to get my front yard done so I can get to my other projects. So let me show you what I have done, so maybe it will give you some ideas, or just wanted to show you what I have been up to lately. So as you can see, my front yard looked like a mess. I will post pictures of what it used to look like. um, and you can see what it looks like now. It's not finished. What I'm waiting for this morning is, hopefully you guys I'll be able to show you guys. I was supposed to get a delivery of sod delivered to my house this morning. Here's the sod delivery. Got 2 pallets. We have the I'm gonna start right here. So what I have right here are 2 small palm trees that I got from Costco. These palm trees were about either $30 or $40. So I picked these up about, I would say, 3 to 4 months ago. They've been just sitting around, and I was finally able to put them in the ground once I started. And these rose bushes, I think they're $20 at or $14 at Home Depot. They're still growing. They were a little bit distressed when I placed them in the water, and it's been really hot lately over here where I live, so that's another reason they might look like that. So hopefully next year, I'm hoping, if I keep watering them, hopefully by next week they'll have some flowers. So one of the things that I like to use is this stuff. This is what I call a rubber mulch. This is made out of I believe recycled tires. So this stuff lasts forever. It doesn't disintegrate like the regular wood bark. I have used this at my old house as well, and I love this stuff. It's almost the same. It's a little bit more than the regular bark. I think it's twice as much. A regular bag of bark is about $3, and this is about $6. But in my opinion, it's really worth it. Like I said, I have had it at my old house, and it lasted. As far as I know, it's still there. So that's what I like to use. And this house had a lot of drainage issue. Water used to does when it rains, comes down this way, and then there's a downspout right here, water downspout that comes down right here, and then um, and all the water goes over here, and then because of the tree, there is like a grade high spot, like where the tree is. It's like a little small hill, so um, so all the water collects right here. So what I have done, and hopefully this will help, is I have a French drain that is going all the way here, and then like over there in the front, and it goes, there's a drain over there by where my truck is. There's a city drain, or like street drain. So I have piping or drainage going all the way to there, and over here I did the same. I put a corrugated and perforated pipe that I have buried under these rocks around here. This is pretty cheap. These pipes, I got 100-foot roll for about $85, and this is a 4-inch um, French drain or leach line, whatever you want to call it. And these are like about $10, a dollar a foot, basically $10 for a 10-foot pipe. So I have these here, and then I have a little basin over there. I'll show you guys. And then for the and then from what I have heard from everybody, that you need some kind of a edging for the sod to bud against, or it will start to like erode and not do good. So then I have, this is also from Costco, this edging right here. These are $18 for 3 packs. So there's 1, 2, and 3. So these three are like $18. It comes with sticks. So I put these on the side. They look nice. They have little design on them. They're a little beefy too. And so I put these 3/4 inch rock all the way around, and I have a little basin here. And then look at my grapevines. I really love my grapevines. And then my trellis system that I built. I watched a bunch of videos, and then I put these turnbuckles here, and then I used wire right here. You can see the wire. This was a kit that I bought from Amazon. It was a 100-foot wire with turnbuckles and everything. It was like a trellis system kit. It was fairly inexpensive. I'm gonna say it was anywhere from $30 to $40, or maybe even $20. I'm not sure. I'll put a link in the description for the trellis wiring kit. So I did this. My plan was to put bushes. I don't know if you can see my neighbor right there, or right there. He has bushes in the front of his house. So my plan was to put like bushes like that. But then I was just at Costco looking for stuff for my project, and I saw these grapevines. And I am from an area in California, Central California, where they do grow grapes, so I do know what they look like and how to maintain them. I've been around them throughout, like, my younger years. So I saw these are table grapes. Let me see if I can show you guys. I put the things right here. So these are flame seedless grape. So they're gonna be nice. So we'll have some fruit, and also in the summer this will fill up, hopefully next year. And I know in the winter grape wines usually shed, so it'll be like a spider web or whatever. It's gonna be, but I'm okay with that. But I know in the summer, or when the leaves come out, it's gonna look very nice. And then all my neighbors are pretty happy with it. So as you can see, I have all the way around, I have these edging that I have used. And then also right here I have the same thing. I have a French drain that is going. I'm waiting for this car to drive by. I'm waiting for I have French drain that is going all the way here, and then it goes next to the mailbox, and then it turns this way, and then it goes straight. Let me show you guys where it goes. So it kind of connects right here, and it goes under the driveway. And I also built this. So let me show you guys what I have built. So it goes right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's a pipe that is right there, and that's where it's going to drain into. But if also you can see there's a grade down there. So the city grade was really low, and as you can see, a lot of people were bottoming out right here before us, like the previous. And there was like a big drop right here from. Let me show you guys from this angle. So like from there to like there was like a 12-inch drop. So it was not safe. And then this is like my area where I like to want to park trailers and stuff, backup trailers and things. So I didn't feel comfortable with that. So I built this up. Then I bought this grate from one of the foundries, and I raised it up, and I put that on top of the city grade, so the city can still get to its grade. It comes out. So that's that. That was something interesting I had never done, or I never seen it done. So it's interesting to research and find this stuff and where to get it. It was a challenge, but now I know if anybody ever asks, I'll be able to help them out. But it's not something that you do every day. So this is what I am working on. Good morning, everybody. This is the next day, and look at that nice yard. I forgot to do a time lapse for you guys this time. It was really hot. It was about over 100 degrees. I would say 100, 105 in the afternoon yesterday. And the SOD guy showed up like around 8 o'clock, so I had 3 or 4 hours to get this done before it got too hot. So I was not thinking about videoing or doing a time lapse just skipped my mind. I wish I remembered. But here it is. It looks so beautiful. It just brings the yard together. Just putting the sod in. I mean, you guys, earlier in the video, you can see without the sod and how it looks. And now here it is. Here is the pretty much the finished product. I mean, there's not much more I can do after this. I mean, there's some little things like I do need to put edging between the rocks uh, and the rubber mulch. I do have to do that, and I may or may not put edging over here because I know these rocks they tend to like come on the concrete like this one right here, and that's kind of could be a little annoying, but I'm not sure. I might just live with that. But as you can see, looking very nice. Oh my god, I love it. I love it, and I hope you guys like it. Um, so, I really appreciate if you like and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions and comments, leave them below. I will try to leave links below in the description for all the stuff that I have used, like the edging and this drainage pipe and the French drain. Or if you want me to if you have any questions like, hey, how much did they cost, or where did you get it, or what the item is called, feel free to leave a comment, and I reply to my comments very frequently. I would say as soon as somebody put a comment, I reply to it. Um, but here it is, and I really like it. So thank you for watching, and make it a great day.